First of all, I'd love to thank Anga for this opportunity tonight to get together with this amazing bunch of like-minded people. We're all here to develop ourselves and grow further. And I actually came in not knowing what this workshop was all about. I just saw self-awareness, and I saw creativity, and I saw social entrepreneurs. So I just thought, yep, that's ticking the boxes of what I love in life. And I have to say, it resonated with me a lot. And the post-it exercise, which is all about the values, is something that I kind of don't really allow myself to take time for. I do brand strategy for others, but I don't do it for myself. So it was really nice to finally put down on paper all my values, and then having to share that with someone else, and then seeing that some of us had similar ideas. And I think it's really nice to just come together and being able to be in a group of people as well, to know that you're not alone, that everyone has the same fears and the same feelings and the same, not necessarily same values, but very similar. And I'd highly recommend anyone to attend and come with the open mind as was suggested. And that's it. Thank you.